guys, I'm back. This video is going to be if your freaking Flint gets stuck in here while you're trying to replace it or something, because my Flint just now got stuck in there. And see, the way you can tell is if you look in there and you don't see your Flint. See how that just spins and no spark? Take your spring and push it down. See how much that sticks out, and still there's nothing there. What you want to do, or at least this is what I'll do, get some hex keys or Allen wrenches, whatever you want to call them. I'll call them hex keys, and take about the smallest one there, pull it out, and take it and just like stick it in there and try your best to get it through. And see, now as if my Flint should be in there. So now let's try this. I may have to put the camera down for a quick second, guys, so I can get this all the way in. Alright, give me a second, guys. I gotta get that all in. Alright. Just want it to twist that in and all. And after you get it twisted, don't put it too tight. Make sure you get it tight enough though. And voila, we have flame. Thanks guys, just subscribe and comment.